Hello guys, I'm your friend Gunjan. I'm back with another video of my Java programming tutorial series. Today I'm going to write a program to check our year is leap year or not. So before writing the code, you have to know which year will be considered as a leap year and which year is not considered as a leap year. Many people will say that if any year divisible by 4 that is leap year, but it is partially correct. It is not fully correct. It is applicable for only non-century year. And which is century year? The year which is ending with 20. That year is called century year. For an example, 1900 is a century year. It 1900 ending with 20. For this century year, we have to check another condition. For century year, we have to check two conditions. First, we have to divide the year by 4, and again we have to check another condition, that is, you have to divide the year by 400. If two condition will satisfy, then we can say that that year is leap year. For non-century year, let's take an example of non-century year, that is 2004. That is a non-century year. For non-century year, we need to check only one condition. If non-century year divide by 4 and remainder is 0, then the year is leap year. So let's write a code. I'm writing my Java program in Eclipse IDE. I have already created if-else package, and right now I'm creating a new class, that is leap year class. Leap year finish. You can see that leap year class is created inside if-else package. Now I'm writing main method to run the Java program. We cannot run Java program without main method. I'm creating the object of scanner class to take the input from the user. Without scanner class we cannot do it. Scanner class present in util package. We have to import util package to use some predefined method present inside a predefined class called scanner class. So we have imported scanner class. Now we are printing some message to make the program user friendly. I'm printing the message, that is enter a year. After that we are taking a integer variable year. Inside this integer variable we will take the input from the user. By calling the nextIn method present inside the scanner class, we can take the input from the user. After taking the input, we have to check if year modulo division by 4 equal to 0, and we have to check another if condition, year modulo divisible by 100 not equal to 0. If both two conditions satisfied, then we can say that is not a leap year. Then we are writing some messages, that is not leap year. And after that we are taking else block and we are writing another condition. If year modulo divisible by 400 equal to 0, then we can say that is leap year. So we are printing a message, we are copying from above, and that is leap year. So again we are taking else block. In that case it is not leap year. If both two condition not satisfied, that is, if the control goes to else part, then it is not leap year. And again, after if block, we are writing another else block, that is also leap year, not leap year. So I'm running the program and we are giving an input that is 2000, that is leap year, and again we are giving another input 1900, that is a century year. 1900 and running the program, and is not a leap year. Again we are running the program, we are taking another input that is 1600, that is leap year. We are commenting out the program and we will write another logic to check the year is leap year or not. So before writing this section, I have to comment it out. I commented those part. Some error is showing. Yes, some error is showing. Yeah, now it is okay. I'm commented out this section. Again, I'm writing some another logic to check. There are two different logic, and again you are checking if here modulus divisible by 4 equal to 0 and here divisible by 100 not equal to 0, and giving or here module divisible by 400 equal to 0. That means we are writing all the condition inside one if statement, and I'm giving the parenthesis. If among three condition one condition satisfied, then it is called leap year. Otherwise it will consider as a not leap year. I'm copying from our program and I'm running the program. Leap year, okay. I'm giving the input 1111, that is not leap year. I'm taking another input, I'm taking 1800, that is not leap year. Again I'm taking another input 1900, which is also not leap year, and again 2000, that is leap year. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon for more updates.